Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss 7 productive things to do before bed. Number 1. Pick out your outfit. Make things easier on your future self by laying out your outfit the night before. How many times have you wanted to wear something only to realize it needs to be ironed? Number 2. Write down 3 tasks. One of the most productive things to do the night before is writing down 3 things, only 3 things, that you need to get done tomorrow. Don't cope out by making the list of silly things. Make an actual list of 3 things that will take you closer to your goals. Big grand goals require baby steps. If you just take 3 baby steps in the direction of your dream a day, you are doing more than most. Number 3. Unplug and disconnect. About an hour before you go to bed, put your phone and electronics away. This will help you get a better night's sleep and also allows you to be more mindful of what you do versus mindlessly scrolling. Number 4. Work on a hobby. Is there something you love to do, or perhaps you've been waiting to earn but never have time? Working on your hobbies before bed is a great way to relieve stress and become a happier person. Number 5. Meditate or do yoga. A nighttime yoga session can be extremely beneficial to your well-being and sleep quality. Yoga helps release aches and pains as well as lowering your stress level. If you are looking for healthy things to do before bed, yoga and meditation are it. Help your mind get at ease as you work on your flexibility and strength. Number 6. Read. Perhaps during that hour that you unplug, get into bed with a good book. It can be a mystery novel that keeps you on your toes or a life-changing book you can't put down. Reading is another great stress reliever for a busy mind. When you read, your mind is actively engaged in the process, unlike watching TV, where you can zone out. Since reading takes you to another world, you are able to relax and de-stress as your mind isn't focused on your present situation. Number 7. Express gratitude. We are always so busy, we forget to take stock and give thanks for the blessing that is our life. Take a moment to jot down a couple of things you are grateful for that happened that day. You will realize when you are grateful, very little things can get you down. Try going to bed thinking about the things that you are grateful for and seeing how much your baseline happiness changes in a couple of days.